Kaibigan, welcome back. Napakaganda ng pag-uusapan natin. Kai Sotto na pag-usapan sa balita na pag-aari pala ng Memphis Grizzlies at namangha ang host nito sa dami ng may gusto na kunin ng Memphis si Kai Sotto. Ika pa ng co-host nito. Bakit hindi kunin ng Memphis si Kai Sotto? Simulan po natin dito para malinaw. Meron pong host ang Memphis Grizzlies na nagngangalang Jessica Besson. Makikita po natin siya sa Memphis Grizzlies sa mga games at interview sa mga players. Siya din po ay host sa Grind City Media na naglabas po ng balita na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Naglabas po kasi sila ng video sa mga social medias nila, featured si Kawamura at Kai Sotto. Nasabi ni Jessica ang kanyang suporta tuwa kay Kawamura. At nagulit siya sa dami ng notification niya sa TikTok na kunin daw ng Memphis si Kai Sotto.
CJ, every single day I wake up to multiple TikTok notifications, and I love TikTok notifications, JB Jams forever. It is always a handful of people commenting on every video I've ever posted. I hope the Memphis Grizzlies sign Kai Sotto. And I've been like, who is this Kai Sotto guy? And then Yuki Kawamura is giving his availability yesterday, and he mentions Kai Sotto, and they are teammates in the B-League. And I look him up, and he's a...
After nyan, sinabi po niya na si Kai ay 7'3" from the Philippines at naglaro sa G-League, NBL Summer League at dito sa Japan. Dagdag pa po ni Jessica,
but like the connection of these Japanese basketball players, well, he's Filipino, but playing in Japan right now, and then Yuki Kawamura, who's a Japanese basketball player. I love the worldwide nature of the NBA. I get so excited. The connectivity of all these different countries putting energy here. We're just hanging out in Memphis, Tennessee this morning, but the fact that there's someone like across the world in Japan who genuinely cares about Grizzlies training camp right now, I don't know. I love that. It's like one of my favorite. I know most people don't really care because Grizzlies got to win this year. So much is going into this season. You want to be a contender. But those are the fun training camp stories that I enjoy.
Listen, man, let's get off into the...
At sumagot naman po yung co-host niya na si CJ about dito.
Grizzlies could use a bit more depth at that center position. You add another center, you keep Jaren at the power forward position where he is obviously the best. So sure, why not go out there and see what this guy has to offer? What's his name? Yuki?
Kai Sotto? No, Kai Sotto's the big one. Yuki Kawamura is the small one.
Go out there and get Kai.
Backup point guard depth. Yuki Kawamura. Listen, I really hope he gets an opportunity with the Hustle.
Like you said, we were up.
Gusto ko pong malaman nyo mga kaibigan na ang Grind City Media po pala na yan na naglabas ng video na napag-usapan si Kai ay pagmamay-ari po ng Memphis Grizzlies. At makikita din po natin ito sa official website ng NBA. Under Memphis Grizzlies, sila ang columnist o naglalabas ng balita about Memphis Grizzlies. Nakakatuwa naman kaibigan na feature dito ang kababayan natin sa Grind City Media ng Memphis Grizzlies. Batiin ko po pala si Kailong Sabihon Jr. ng Memphis, USA, Rino Marbaigan, SNKI ng North Caloocan, Arce Jan Doromal, Lina Bachica, Rose and Dale, Dwayne Giselle, Off the Road Vlog, Cyril Bales, Rafi Trano Jr., Jamali Vlog, Rolly Rodriguez, Clifton, Jodal De Leon, Artur Publico at Robert Garcayo. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa inyo.